During his tenure as Chief Minister of the Uva province, MP Chamara Sampath is alleged to have caused a loss of 17.3 million rupees to the government by prematurely withdrawing 6 fixed deposit accounts belonging to the provincial council from a state bank before their maturity. This case, filed by the Commission to investigate allegations of bribery or corruption, or CBOC, under the Public Property Act, has resulted in the MP currently being held in remand custody. Following the remanding of the MP, former President Ranil made a public statement claiming that it was under his advice that the fixed deposits were withdrawn.
Chamara Sampath Mantritumage Paule Samajikan Mav Munagana.
I met with members of MP Chamara Sampath's family during my time as Prime Minister, and with the consent of then President Maithripala Sirisena, a circular was issued by our Treasury Secretary stating that provincial council funds could not be kept in fixed deposits. Both government funds and other allocations had to be spent within that fiscal year or returned to the Treasury or the Department of Finance of the relevant provincial council. Keeping such funds in fixed deposits for use in future projects was illegal, which is why we took that action. At the time, Chief Minister Chamara Sampath and several other Chief Ministers spoke to me. I explained why this could not be done. That's why they withdrew those funds from the fixed deposit accounts.
In relation to this statement, CBOC summoned former President Ranil on the 28th of April to obtain clarification. Today, when several other cases related to parliamentarian Chamara Sampath were taken up at the Colombo Chief Magistrates Court, investigators from the Commission presented further information. They stated that the former president's media statement had been made at the request of parliamentarian Dasanaika's wife, and that the statement concerning the disputed incident was made during that media briefing. Investigating officers further revealed that the circular instructing the withdrawal of the fixed deposit funds for development projects was issued on the 22nd of November 2016. However, the controversial withdrawals by parliamentarian Chamara Sampath had occurred on the 29th of February 2016, 9 months prior to the issuance of the said circular. Therefore, investigators told the court that the suspect committed the offence before the circular was issued, indicating that no such legal authorization existed at the time of the withdrawal. It was also revealed during questioning that the former president made his public statement without proper awareness of the dates on which the circular had been issued. According to the investigators, the former president's media briefing created a false impression among the public and negatively affected the integrity of CBOC's investigations. The investigators informed the court that they intend to conclude the investigation and submit the report by the next court date, and that they will file indictments before the Colombo High Court against the suspect.